people on the beach away. In the end, the shark managed to turn around and swim away, leaving the giant dead whale to the locals, who used it for meat and fat.
Oh no.
Oi, mate, mate. Oh, look, he's on the rope. He's on. Come here. Oi, oi. God, mate. Yes, boy.
A baby gray whale creeped up on them by the Californian shore. The whale must have just been curious about what the two-legged were doing over there. The 18-year-old Peyton Landis filmed it with his drone. You can see in the clip how the whale gets really close to the beach, where about 24 surfers were waiting for some waves. The whale approached the surfers, remaining unnoticed. At some point, the friendly whale pulled his head out of the water, blew out a fountain, and submerged again. At the sight of the giant mammal, one of the surfers nearly started to panic and tried to move away from the animal. In the end, the whale
Shit!